What is up, guys? Done other sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your ChatGPT to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n's website, and then you need to create a new workflow. From here, you need to click on plus icon, and then you need to search for ChatGPT. And after searching for ChatGPT here, you will see the OpenAI button. Click on this, and then let's say I want to create an assistant. Click on this, and after that click on credential to connect with and click on create new credentials. Now to connect it we need an API key, and to get the API key we will go to the ChatGPT's or OpenAI's platform by just simply typing platform.openai, and after that we'll hit enter. As you can see, this is the API key from OpenAI. Click on this, and after that here you will find multiple ways to get the API key. Now, after logging into the OpenAI's platform, now here you will see the option of API keys. Click on this add API keys, and you will see the button to create new secret key. Click on this, and then you need to name your test key. I'll just name it, and after naming it, I'll click on create secret key. After clicking on create secret key here, my secret key will be visible for once. So you need to make sure that you must copy it. And after copying it, head back to your n8n and then just paste it. And after pasting, click on save. And then the credential will be successfully created and the connection has been tested successfully. So this is how you can connect your ChatGPT to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.